Hey guys! Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is another phone unboxing and phone review. And ang phone na i-review natin guys ay walang iba kundi ang Redmi Note 14 5G. So kung hindi nyo alam guys, meron na rin ako nagawang video for the Redmi Note 14 4G. So if you want to watch that video guys, the link is in the description below. So itong Redmi Note 14 5G guys, this is a mid-range smartphone and also ito yung 5G version ni Redmi Note 14 series. At dito guys sa ating video is sasabihin ko rin kung magkano itong Redmi Note 14 5G. So stay tuned and watch the whole video for the price reveal. So in this video guys, we will find out what's in store in the Redmi Note 14 5G. So ano pa hinihintay natin guys? And let us start the video. Now let us start with the unboxing. So as we open the box guys, we will see here the SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide and warranty card, a protective case, and of course, the Redmi Note 14 5G. At dito guys is meron na siyang pinapakita na quick specs. We will also find here the Type-C cable, and also an adapter that has a 45 watts turbo charge. Now let us talk about its design. So for the Redmi Note 14 5G guys, it has three colors. So the first color is lavender purple, coral green, and midnight black. So ang kulay na meron tayo dito guys is the midnight black. So as you can see, it is very sophisticated and it has a matte finish. So maganda ito guys kasi hindi siya makakapag-leave ng any fingerprints. So for its thickness guys, it also has a 7.99 millimeters. And for its weight guys, it weighs about 190 grams. At dito guys sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G, it has a audio jack. And this is very great guys kasi dito pwede ka makagamit ng mga wired earphones or headphones. At dito sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G guys, it also has an IR blaster and it also has a dual speakers. So of course, we have a speaker on the bottom and another speaker here on the top. At dito rin sa baba guys is makikita natin ang Type-C port and also the SIM tray. And this also has an in-screen fingerprint sensor. Now let us find out if this is a dual SIM or a single SIM. So para sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G guys, this has a dual SIM and it also has a hybrid eSIM or a micro SD dual standby. And now let's talk about the display. So for its display guys, it has a 6.67 Sunlight AMOLED screen display. And it also has a 2100 peak brightness. At katulad ng sinabi ko guys, is meron na ito siyang AMOLED screen display. And this is very good guys kasi if you have an AMOLED screen display, you can expect to have a greater range of color options and a better looking images and videos. And dito sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G guys, it also has a Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080p resolution. At dito guys sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G, hindi na kayo magrereklamo sa kanyang screen refresh rate kasi for its screen refresh rate guys, it has a 120Hz screen refresh rate. So with the 120Hz screen refresh rate guys, you can expect to have a smoother and better animations. At ito ay meron ding Corning Gorilla Glass 5 Ultra Hard Front Glass. And now let's talk about the performance of the Redmi Note 14 5G. So for its processor guys, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra. And I also conducted a Geekbench test to test the CPU performance. And here as you can see, we have a 669 for the single core score and a 1811 for the multi-core score. At itong Redmi Note 14 5G natin guys is meron din siyang two variants for its storage. So for the first variant guys, for the storage, it has an 8GB of RAM with 256 gigabytes of ROM. And for the second variant guys, we have a 12 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of ROM. So dito guys is napakalaki ng kanyang upgrade from the 4G version kasi dito sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G, meron na siyang 12 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of ROM. So napakalaki talaga ng storage at sulit na sulit ito for gamers, for vloggers, or any one of you who wants a large capacity for its storage. And now let's talk about the IP of the Redmi Note 14 5G. So for its IP guys, it has an IP64. So dito guys, kahit mabasa pa ang inyong screen at mabasa ang inyong kamay, okay lang at pwedeng-pwedeng nyo pa rin magamit itong Redmi Note 14 5G thanks to its IP64. And for those of you who don't know guys, IP stands for Ingress Protection. So ito yung Ingress Protection guys, ito yung nag-protekta sa ating mga smartphones against water and dust particles. And now let's talk about the speakers for the Redmi Note 14 5G. So for its speakers guys, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, is meron itong dual speakers. And the sound is also by Dolby Atmos. At dito guys sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G, dahil meron siyang dual speakers, you can also expect a 300% audio boost. So let's check out the speakers. So para sa kanyang speaker guys, is napakaganda ng kanyang quality. And now let's talk about the gaming for the Redmi Note 14 5G. So for gaming guys, this is a solid mid-range gaming phone. And this is very great for casual and esports gamers out there guys. You can expect to have a great gameplay for games such as Mobile Legends, PUBG, COD, and other games as well. And dito guys, napansin ko after 1 hour of gameplay, medyo nag-init siya pero hindi gaano kainit katulad na lamang ng kanyang predecessor na Redmi Note 14 4G. So syempre dahil ito nga ay 5G version guys, expect na natin na mas maganda ito for gaming. So again, this has a slight warmth after 1 hour of gameplay, but there is no major throttling. And dito guys, if you're into heavy gameplays katulad na lamang ng Genshin Impact, you may need to adjust the settings a bit for a smooth performance. And now let's talk about the battery for the Redmi Note 14 5G. So for its battery guys, it has a 5,110 mAh battery. And it also has a 45 watts turbo charge. And finally, let us talk about the camera for the Redmi Note 14 5G. So para sa kanyang camera guys, as you can see, katulad na lamang ng 4G version, it has a triple camera setup. So dito, of course, uunahin natin ang main camera. So for the main camera guys, nag-upgrade ito siya sa kanyang 4G version. So dito sa ating 5G version, we have a 108 megapixels main camera. And it also has a 1.7 aperture. And it also has an OIS feature guys. So para sa inyong karagdagang kaalaman guys, OIS stands for Optical Image Stabilization. So whenever you're going to take a picture or just filming, the OIS feature will help you to stabilize your videos or while you're taking your pictures. So thanks to the OIS guys, mas magiging stable ang ating picture taking and video taking. And we also have here an 8MP ultra-wide camera with 2.2 aperture. And lastly, for its triple camera guys, we also have a 2MP macro camera with 2.4 aperture. And for its selfie camera guys, it has a 20MP front camera with 2.2 aperture. So for its video recording guys, for the front and rear camera, you can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. Now here are some few pictures and a video for you to see. With the Redmi Note 14 5G, I was able to capture decent photos. For its price reveal, guys. So sa ating Redmi Note 14 5G, for the variant of 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM, ang kanyang pricing ay 13,999. At sa kanyang second variant naman, guys, we have a 12GB of RAM with 512GB of ROM. And the pricing for that is 16,999. And that is all, guys, for today's video. So ano masasabi nyo, guys, dito kay Redmi Note 14 5G? Comment down in the comment section below. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you guys in the next video and unboxing. Bye!